Welcome back to Investment Edge, the channel where we break down the markets, uncover hidden opportunities, and bring you the sharpest analysis in crypto. Today is Saturday, November 29, 2025, and Shiba Inu, SHIB, is sitting in one of the most fascinating pricing windows we've seen this year. With Shib currently trading at $0.058504, down 2.21% in the last 24 hours, many investors are asking, why is Shib dipping today, and what does it really mean? Well, the numbers tell a deeper story, and the context surrounding them points to something far bigger than a simple price pullback. Looking at today's metrics, Shib's market cap has edged down to $5.01 billion, reflecting a 2.25% decrease. Trading volume over the past 24 hours sits at $88.4 million, showing a significant plus 42.14% surge. A sudden spike in trading activity during a price dip often signals accumulation rather than panic selling. The volume to market cap ratio is 1.76%, indicating Shib still commands strong liquidity relative to its size, something many mid-cap tokens struggle to maintain during volatility. Shib currently has 2.89 million holders, an enormous and continuously expanding community. The total supply remains at 589.5 trillion, just slightly below the max supply of 589.55 trillion. These fundamentals set the stage for one of the most important discussions in crypto this week, because this isn't just about Shib. This is about the entire market approaching a potentially historic moment that could reshape the future of digital assets. Today on Investment Edge, we're breaking down what could become one of the most consequential and transformative weeks in the entire history of cryptocurrency. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is just days away from issuing its final ruling on BlackRock's highly anticipated Bitcoin ETF, and the financial world is holding its breath. This isn't just another routine regulatory update, this is a moment with the power to reshape global markets, redefine institutional participation, and potentially trigger one of the largest capital inflows crypto has ever seen. Many analysts are calling this decision a once-in-a-generation turning point, a catalyst that could bridge the gap between traditional finance and digital assets in a way we've never witnessed before. In other words, this is not ordinary crypto news. This is macro-level, Wall Street shaking, paradigm-shifting potential, and the outcome could set the tone for the entire next decade of digital finance. Before we continue, take a quick moment to like this video, subscribe to Investment Edge, and turn on notifications so you never miss a major market update or deep dive analysis. Our channel is dedicated to delivering high-quality research, data-driven breakdowns, and unbiased insights every single week, covering everything from Bitcoin macro cycles to emerging altcoin narratives like Shib, XRP, Sol, and more. Your support truly makes a difference. Every like, comment, and subscription helps Investment Edge grow and continue producing independent, in-depth, algorithm-resistant content in an industry where quality information can be hard to find. And if you want to directly support the channel on a deeper level, consider sending a YouTube gift. It's one of the best ways to help us fund research tools, data sources, and production costs so we can keep delivering professional-grade content without relying on sponsorships or paid promotions. Your support keeps the lights on, keeps the analysis flowing, and keeps this community strong. The entire crypto market is on edge because the SEC is on the verge of announcing a decision with far-reaching consequences. Market analysts estimate the probability of approval at nearly 90%, a figure that has captured global attention. When a firm as influential as BlackRock steps into the crypto arena, the financial world pays attention, and for good reason. If approved, a Bitcoin ETF would open the doors for both retail and institutional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin as easily as buying an S&P 500 index fund. No wallets, no exchanges, no complicated self-custody systems, just a simple ticker symbol on traditional brokerage platforms. This would be a monumental shift for mainstream adoption. Historically, past market cycles have shown a clear pattern. Whenever Bitcoin experiences a phase of strong institutional adoption, the ripple effects are felt across the entire crypto market. Large-scale investment into Bitcoin doesn't just lift BTC, it opens the floodgates for capital to flow down the altcoin chain, creating opportunities for projects with strong fundamentals, active communities, and clear growth potential. As institutional players gain confidence and inject liquidity into Bitcoin, investor risk appetite tends to expand, prompting traders and long-term holders alike to diversify into promising altcoins. This is a period when altcoins with dedicated communities, tangible use cases, and evolving ecosystems tend to see significant gains, as capital rotates from Bitcoin into assets with exponential potential. Shiba Inu, SHIB, is a prime example of an altcoin well positioned to take advantage of such market dynamics. With one of the largest and most loyal holder bases in the crypto space, Shib benefits from a strong foundation of retail support combined with growing interest from larger investors who recognize its long-term potential. Beyond its community strength, Shib has evolved far beyond its origins as a meme token, with the launch of Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain that significantly enhances transaction speed, reduces fees, and enables a wide range of decentralized applications. This ecosystem expansion provides tangible utility and demonstrates the project's commitment to long-term growth, distinguishing it from countless other altcoins that lack real infrastructure. Another key factor amplifying Shib's potential during a Bitcoin-driven market surge is the token's deflationary mechanisms. The ongoing increase in burn rates actively reduces circulating supply, creating scarcity and, over time, adding upward pressure to price. In combination with rising market interest and liquidity inflows, these factors create an environment where Shib could disproportionately benefit relative to other altcoins. Investors who recognize these dynamics early are often in a position to capture outsized gains, particularly during the initial phases of a bull market when momentum is building. Moreover, Shib's history shows that it often experiences strong performance during major BTC cycles. During previous bullish runs, periods of heightened Bitcoin institutional adoption were consistently followed by surges in Shib trading volume, price appreciation, and renewed community activity. Analysts and long-term holders closely watch these correlations, using them as indicators to strategically position themselves before broader market participants catch on. This combination of historical performance, robust community engagement, and ecosystem growth positions Shib as a high-probability candidate for significant upside during times of institutional inflows into Bitcoin. It's also worth noting that Shib's ecosystem is not static. It continues to evolve with strategic partnerships, innovative staking mechanisms, and the expansion of its decentralized finance, DeFi, offerings. These developments increase Shib's utility, attract new users, and deepen the network effect, all of which enhance its appeal during periods of market-wide optimism. When Bitcoin surges, projects that are actively building real-world utility and demonstrating strong adoption typically outperform those that rely solely on speculation. Shib now combines both the cultural momentum of a widely recognized token with the fundamentals of a growing decentralized ecosystem. Liquidity is another crucial factor. With Shib's growing trading volume and high level of activity on major exchanges, the coin is well prepared to handle increased demand without excessive slippage. This ensures that large investors and institutions can enter positions with minimal disruption to price, which in turn reinforces confidence and attracts additional capital. As capital flows from Bitcoin into altcoins during bullish phases, liquidity becomes a defining feature for projects that can truly benefit from the broader market upswing. Community engagement plays a major role as well. Shib's massive holder base, which spans millions of addresses globally, creates a resilient network of support that often sustains price during periods of short-term volatility. This community not only contributes to organic growth and adoption but also drives on-chain activity, supports token burns, and spreads awareness of ecosystem developments. In times of heightened market activity, such as a Bitcoin institutional adoption phase, a committed and coordinated community can be a significant differentiator in sustaining momentum and driving price appreciation. Another element to consider is the psychological effect. When Bitcoin institutional adoption is in full swing, confidence in the crypto market as a whole rises dramatically. Retail and institutional investors begin seeking out altcoins that have strong fundamentals, proven track records, and a high probability of long-term viability. Shib, with its combination of ecosystem innovation, deflationary mechanisms, and massive community, fits precisely into this category. Investors are not just buying a token, they are buying into an entire ecosystem that is demonstrating ongoing development, strategic direction, and potential for real-world impact. As of late 2025, Shib stands as the 23rd largest cryptocurrency, holding firm despite market turbulence. With over 2.89 million wallets, Shiba Inu has one of the largest, most loyal communities in the crypto space. This resilience is not accidental, it's the result of a multi-year transformation from meme token to functional ecosystem. A big part of this transformation is Shibarium, Shib's Layer 2 scaling solution. While Shib began as a simple ERC20 token, Shibarium has expanded its capabilities by enabling faster, cheaper transactions and supporting decentralized applications. Transaction activity on Shibarium has climbed into the millions per day, proving that the network is being used, not just hyped. But one of the most groundbreaking upgrades is the automated burn mechanism. Previously, Shib burns were community-led, meaning small, inconsistent, and unpredictable. Now, burns are tied to network activity and built directly into the ecosystem. Analysts estimate trillions of tokens could be removed from circulation annually. This directly targets Shib's biggest challenge. If Blackrock's ETF is approved, billions in new liquidity could enter the crypto markets within months. Institutional investors will want exposure to the strongest narratives and ecosystems, and Shib, with both Shibarium and its burn mechanism, fits that profile. Historically, strong Bitcoin cycles have preceded explosive Shib movements, often multiplying its price during high momentum phases. This is why so many analysts are watching Shib closely right now. Between ecosystem upgrades, improved tokenomics, community resilience, and a potential macro catalyst unlike anything the industry has seen before, Shib is entering a rare moment of alignment, one that could define its next major move. Nothing in crypto is guaranteed. Regulation is unpredictable, markets are volatile, and investor sentiment can shift overnight. But right now, we are witnessing a convergence of events: rising volume, improving market conditions, growing utility, tightening supply, institutional anticipation, and one of the most important regulatory decisions in crypto history. This combination is incredibly rare. That wraps up this deep dive on Investment Edge. If you found value in this analysis, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you never miss a critical Shib update. And drop a comment below letting us know how many Shib you're holding. The community loves hearing from you, and your engagement helps this channel reach more investors who need real, unbiased information. Thank you for watching, stay sharp, stay disciplined, and as always, keep your edge in the markets. The next chapter for Shib may be unfolding right in front of us, and you won't want to miss what happens next.